Well, I guess I'm gonna have to switch to FL Studio now because... Listen, I know FL Studio is the most popular DAW, and I may have even made a couple videos in the past bashing it and saying Ableton is better, but today we're finally gonna put that all to rest and find out, is FL Studio really the best DAW? We gotta make a melody first. Add more plugins. Ah, there we go. Okay, it's already got all my plugins. Let's try out this Sakura. I feel like I've seen something on it in the past and it was pretty dope. Let's see if there's a dope sound in here. Piano roll, piano roll. Okay, so my actual keyboard it's just not my MIDI keyboard. It looks like it's recognizing it. Controller type. Okay, let's enable. Ah, there we go. Enable. Let's go. Strings. Let's see. Is there anything good in here? Oh my gosh, now does it record in the background? Pattern selected, tools, dump score log into pattern, nothing happened. Last 5 minutes maybe? Replace. Okay, cool, we got the recorded part, I just gotta know how to move it. Okay, what are these different tools? I think I have to do a different, okay, delete. Oh no, what happened? It deleted everything, hold on. Oh, there we go, that's how you select. Fantastic. Now, why won't it delete? Why won't it delete? How do I delete this? All right, I just got to figure out how to get this channel rack back open because we got the MIDI. F6? What if you don't got F6? Hold on. F6? Ah, F6 opens it. Bro, I'm so bad at this. Okay, so this is the edit. We remember there's a select, slice, delete. Isn't it delete? Oh, okay, so there you go. Yeah, to delete it, you just press the delete thing and you hover over everything. Okay, perfect. Okay, so here's the stuff that I wanted. Now, I guess I gotta select this, right? Select all of this. A lot of this is the same as Ableton. Thank God. Oh, but it won't move. Let me select everything now. Okay, so that works. I can copy and paste it. Perfect. So we're gonna copy it. Hey, let's go. Now I gotta remember how do I move it? How do I move it? Delete, mute, slice, select, zoom, playback. You can't press delete on your keyboard. Oh, okay. You just gotta go into the corner of the note. Makes sense. You just gotta know what you're doing. Oh, I just realized that I haven't set a BPM. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try to. I know you can. Is this the metronome? These buttons control the view. Okay, we gotta find the metronome. What the fuck is this? What is this? Tempo tapper. Ah, there it is. Okay. So, okay, this is all making more sense now. So it's like da na 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 na. Na 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 na. Okay, now I got to get back to that MIDI. Ah, okay, cool. Okay, I'm starting to get the hang of this, I think. Control A. What do I press? Command Q to quantize? Or Command U? No. Oh, Option Q. Option Q. Okay, so if I select everything, I should be able to move it doing that same thing, right? No. What? Okay, yes. Yeah, so you just got to... Okay, it's just a different tool. This delete thing is kind of fun. Okay, I mean, we got a melody. These tools are pretty dope up here. I mean, once you know what you're doing, it's really fast, and it's kind of fun to do. Yeah, let's put this down octave. All right, that's not horrible, is it? All right, let's get like a bell or a pluck. Let's open this back up here. Let's try out another one of these, morphine. Let's see, what else do we got here? Leads. Hold on, did I just lose the other one? All right, so we have our two patterns. We just gotta play them now at the same time, right? What the fuck is going on? Bro. Ah! All right, guys, this took me a minute, but I didn't realize you had to switch from pattern to song to play this. I was just sitting there like, what's going on? Okay, that's how you do it. All right, you just slide it along. See, that's cool, man. I will say that these stock instruments are just next level. Ableton needs to step his game up for sure. Is this because there's a tiny little piece here so it's playing it over and over again? But hey, see, I'm getting the hang of it. It's a little oh, I like that it automatically shows you the notes too. That's pretty nice. Oh, I guess it's whatever one's selected here, right? All right, let's go. Let's go. Turn up, man. This is going all right. All right, yo, 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 yeah. All right, now let's jump in and make some drums. And for this, we're going to be using our new drum kit called Blizzard Storm because everything in there just slaps. Now we got to be able to find it. Let's get a snare in here. Let's definitely use this Cobra snare. Can I use this at the same time? That's the question. Hold up. I love these little hi-hat rolls that we put in this pack. Lets you put down some dope stuff really quick. And the cool thing is you can do that two-step pattern. All right, awesome. I guess if we go down here, we should be able to press snap. Yep. Okay, dope. Let's do this. That didn't do what I wanted it to. Oh, and then I can right-click to delete it. All right, that's good to know. I feel like those velocities sound better in FL than Ableton. All right, let's get a counter snare in here. Let's try this one. Yep. All right, we're about to do these 808s, but really quick, let's put a crazy FX in here. One thing I absolutely love about FL is this sampler right here. I mean, just the visual that it gives you while you're tweaking everything is so nice and gives you a better understanding of what you're actually doing. Come on, let's go. There's only one thing that's left. The 808. And I feel like it's only right to do the Spins 808 since we are in FL Studio, the king of Spins 808. And I remember you gotta cut itself. Okay, dope. And then if I remember this correctly, you go in here and you gotta bring this back. Hold up. This looks right. Hey, is that it? Did I get it right? Let's go. All right, now we just need this thing to be louder. Oh, boost, that's what it was. Let's go. And if I remember correctly, there's a limiter on the master by default, so we gotta put that soft clipper on there. Ah, there's that little mother... Oh my god, what a difference. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to switch to FL Studio now because that was crazy. And these stock plugins are crazy, but if you want to get a little more inspiration, you can download all these free plugins right here. These are the best ones. I put them all together in a list just for you.